Hello, humans. How are you? I'm really tired today. Anyway, so just here's some tips about how to interact with wheelchair users. Tip number 1, do not touch the wheelchair. Okay, it's like an extension of our body. So if you don't want me to suddenly just walk up to you and put my hand on your shoulder and lean on you and just lean in and be like, hey, yo, what's up? I'm gonna keep my hands all over you, don't touch my chair. Anyway, also, yeah, don't move me without permission. And don't be afraid to ask about the chair, but don't just make that the only thing you talk about. If you don't know me that well, then maybe wait a bit. It's kind of personal. But anyway, I had fun today because I let my friends play with my wheelchair, so they just kind of were trying to do wheelies, and wheelies are actually pretty difficult. I can't do them for extended periods of time very well. Ow. See, I ran into the piano there. Anyway, but yeah, so interesting things that have happened with my wheelchair. I've had people just randomly push me without permission, and just, try and put things on it, lean on it. Or when people who don't know that I'm able to walk short distances, will see me stand up and they think I'm faking. That's interesting. But yeah, don't question people. There are but a lot of people in wheelchairs do have some use of their legs. Not everyone is a paraplegic. I'm not. I have a heart condition and I have improperly formed knees, and autoimmune polyarthritis, so that's why I use the chair. But I can walk short distances, and I do walk around my house, because if I fall, if I collapse, it's fine. It's not a very far distance from one side of the room to the other. Some days, when I'm particularly weak, I might use the chair around the house. It just depends. But yeah, so peace. I'm not really coherent. I'm really tired, and I realize that I haven't made a video in a while, so hahaha, music. Yeah, that was a seashell. But yeah, I'm having fun. I have to sing today, and I'm really quite out of breath, so I don't know, I'm gonna try my best. Yeah, it's ups and downs and ups and downs. I'm exhausted. I wish I could just take a day off, but that's not an option. So anyway, I hope that you are all doing absolutely wonderfully, and I need to actually go and, come up with video ideas and write scripts. That would help. But have a beautiful day. Bye.